Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about how we can download and install Postman into our computer. So Postman is basically used for designing, testing and documenting APIs. So it actually facilitates API testing where user can send requests and analyze responses. So let's see how we can download Postman into our computer. So first of all, we have to go to the official site postman.com, and after that we have to go to the download section, and from here we can download the Postman. We have to just click on this button and you can see we have completed the download, and here is our downloaded file. So we have to open this. Now here we can create one free Postman account using the email, or we can log in. And this will lead us to this browser. From here we can just sign in with Google, or also we can use the username and password. So I will continue with the Google account and I'll choose the account. So after the login and authentication, this link will reopen Postman with the logged in user account. So here we have successfully installed Postman on our computer. So in the later videos we are going to talk about different features of Postman, how we can use that. So that's it for the video. See you in the next one. Take care.